How to filter Instagram comments by author. To do this, first of all, open the Instagram app on your device. After that, go to your profile picture, tap on it, tap the three-line menu in the top right corner, tap on your activity, tap on comments. After that, swipe right, tap on filter by authors, tap on all authors. Choose the authors whose post you want to filter. Tap on apply. That's it. If you like the video, subscribe and stay with us. Thank you.